Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this platform called LastPass. So I'm going to explore its key features, the pros and cons, and the best features about this platform that makes it different from other platforms. So let's do this. So the first thing to do is get to know about this platform called LastPass. LastPass is like a super safe digital box for all your password. Think of it as a password manager. Do you know how many passwords you have for website and app? You only need to remember one strong master password. So this will unlock your LastPass account. Then you will need to log into a website. LastPass fill in the password for you, which is really super cool. It is that easy. You can use the LastPass on your smartphone, your computer, and your tablet. Depends on anyone features you have. If you want an extra features, you can get a LastPass Premium. It's like having an extra lock on your digital box. So talking about the best features of this platform, it's come with some key features. So LastPass has some cool tools that make staying safe online easier. They help you keep your password secure and save you time. Here are some of the best things LastPass can do for you. So talking about one of the best features and one of the best things this platform can do for you, comes with a user-friendly plan together with a password generator, which is one of the best features, and also multi-factor authenticators, which is authentication, which is the MFA, which is one of the key features on the platform. Then the dark web monitoring, which is very important to help you secure your presence online. Then the passwordless vault login. So all these features comes together to make this platform the stand out compared to others. So talking about the pricing plan, we have different pricing plan. We have the premium plan, they have the families, then we also have the team plan together with the business plan. So you can just get back to the website using the link in the video to access the website. Then check out the pricing plan, which is best for your individual use, and check out the key features enlisted on each plan together with the price for you to decide which plan is the best plan for yourself. Now, it is good to understand the bad side and the good side of a platform to help you balance your decision on how you can simply dive into a particular platform. So I'm just going to review the good side and the bad side of this platform to help you make an informed decision. So to get started with the good side, it is very easy to use. It also keeps password very safe, which is very okay. It has a strong password generator and it also work on many devices, and it has some free version as well. So talking about the downside, is they had a security problem. The free version is limited. That means it has some limited features, and the cheapest option is not really enticing and can be complex for beginners. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website.